Hi, everyone's talking about ChatGPT and AI, but most people are just using it to write blog posts or essays. In this video, I'll show you 5 AI-powered side hustles that almost no one is talking about, but they actually work, and they can make real money in 2025. Let's jump in. Hustle number 1. Create and sell AI voiceovers. Most people don't know this, but AI voice tools like ElevenLabs or Murph.ai let you create ultra-realistic voiceovers in minutes. Here's how the side hustle works. Use ChatGPT to write short scripts, convert them into audio using ElevenLabs. Sell voiceovers on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or even directly to YouTubers or podcasters. Example gigs. Explainer video narration, podcast intros, audiobook samples, TikTok-style voiceovers. You don't need to record anything yourself, and the voice quality is shockingly realistic. Hustle number 2. Sell AI-powered printables and planners. This one combines AI and Etsy. You use ChatGPT to generate content ideas, daily goals, budgeting prompts, productivity routines, and then use Canva to turn that into printable planners or journals. List them on Etsy as digital downloads. No inventory, no shipping. Pro tip: niche down. ADHD daily planners, wedding budget spreadsheets, small business content calendars. With the right mockups and SEO, this can become a real passive income stream. Hustle number 3. Create branded short-form content. For others, AI tools can generate viral TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or Instagram Reel scripts in minutes. Here's how you turn that into a service. Use ChatGPT to write engaging hooks and scripts. Use Pictory or CapCut to turn them into faceless videos. Offer a package deal to personal brands, coaches, or e-commerce stores. You don't even need to appear on camera. You're selling. Done for you. Short-form content, something every brand wants right now. Bonus: you can charge $300 to $500 per month for just 10 to 15 videos. Hustle number 4. Build and sell AI-powered Notion templates. Notion is blowing up, and people are looking for smart templates they can use for work, study, or side hustles. Use ChatGPT to structure content, like business plans, content schedules, client onboarding workflows, then organize it beautifully inside Notion. Once it's polished, you can sell it on Gumroad or Etsy. Offer it as a freebie to collect emails. Bundle multiple templates and upsell. Example: AI Business Starter Kit for freelancers, created 90% with ChatGPT plus Notion. The best part? You create once, sell forever. Hustle number 5. Launch a niche newsletter with AI. This one's underrated but scalable. Pick a micro niche. Crypto news for beginners, AI tools for artists, remote jobs under 10 minutes daily. Use AI to curate relevant news, summarize in 1 to 2 short paragraphs, automate layout and send via Beehive or Substack, then monetize through affiliate links, sponsored mentions, paid subscriptions. Once you grow, you can build a lean newsletter business in under an hour a day. Outro. There you go. 5 underrated AI side hustles that actually work. You don't need to be a tech genius or have thousands of followers. You just need the right tools and a little consistency. Pick one. Launch it. Test. And build something that grows while you sleep. Subscribe to WealthFlow Media for more side hustle ideas and income strategies that actually work. And let me know below, which one of these would you try first?